I'm going to show you 4 super easy ways to separate full names into first and last names in Excel, so your spreadsheet looks clean, organized, and way less frustrating. Method 1, the classic text to columns. Let's kick things off with the classic text to columns method. This one's fast and perfect for quick one-time fixes. And here's how to do it. Select the column that contains the full names. Head on over to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and then hit Next. Uncheck Tab and then check Space, since we're splitting the names based on spaces. Look at the preview window. You'll see where Excel plans to split the text. You can decide where the new columns will go. If the columns to the right have data, pick an empty spot to avoid overwriting anything. Click Finish and you're done. First and last names now in separate columns. Quick and simple, but keep in mind that this method is not dynamic. If your data changes over time, you'll need to repeat the steps. Method 2, dynamic formulas. Next up, let's make things a bit smarter with formulas. Ideal if your list might grow or change over time. Let's start with extracting the first name. Use this formula. So let's break this down. The search part of the formula finds the position of the space. Say in John Smith, that's character number 5. Subtracting 1 gives us the length of the first name, which is 4. So we're left with length A2, 4, which grabs the first 4 letters, which is John. Drag the formula down and it'll work for the whole column. And now for the last name, use this formula. The len part of the formula gets the total length of the full name, like 10 characters in John Smith. The search part again finds the space at position 5. Subtracting those gives 5, which is the length of the last name. So write A2, 5 gives us Smith. These are formulas that will update automatically if the name changes. Super handy. Method 3, text before and text after. If you're using Excel 365 or online, you've got access to 2 very cool functions, text before and text after. To get the first name, use the text before function. In this case, text before extracts all the text from the cell A2 that appears before the first space character. To get the last name, do a similar approach, but this time use the text after function. No need to calculate anything, just tell Excel to grab the part before or after the space. So clean and so easy. Method 4, flash fill the mind reader. In an empty cell, type in the first name from the first cell manually. Then click the cell below it and press Ctrl and E on your keyboard. Excel then automatically detects patterns. In this case, it knows you want the first name, and then fills in the rest like magic. Repeat the same for the last names. Type the first last name, press Ctrl and E again, done, in a matter of seconds. And just a note, flash fill is also not dynamic, so if your data changes over time, you might need to reapply it. But for a quick one-off job, it's super easy. So to recap, the 4 methods are text to columns, which are great for fast one-time splits, formulas, perfect for dynamic change in data, text before and text after functions. These are modern and simple, but they're only for Excel 365 and online users only. And then this flash fill, super intuitive and fast for quick fixes. If the names in your spreadsheet are a bit more complex than just the first and last name, say they contain a prefix, a middle name, a suffix, you'll need a slightly different approach. So let me know in the comments below if you want a follow-up tutorial to see how this is done. And check out the other tutorials I've got on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.